back to Nana Hobby channel. It's a long time that I know shoot a video about it, so now I'm back, and then I'm back with the good news. So today I'm gonna show to you how to make a bag with the bottom, so the purse is gonna look like more professional. And then they have a lot of variety of bottom like this one if you want to like make a backpack. And then this is the regular without without this is the small holes, and this is our the big holes. So I want to show to you how I made some purse with the bottom like that, and then I make a purse do the bottom by myself, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it by yourself in case you don't want to buy it, and then I show to you how you made it by yourself. So here is some bags that I made already, and then I show you this one. And then I think you saw the tutorial already how to line it, and this is made from with bottom. It look like more professional. And then I made this one with the bottom too, like this. And now I show you how I made my own bottom. So I'm gonna keep this here because I want to just show it to you how. So from Amazon I buy a cork. They have a lot of variety, any kind of cork. And then I made the bottom. The bottom I use this to make a like template. But if you don't have the square one, the round one, you can always, take a plate and make a circle, depending how much bigger you want to make your purse. And then I suggest you to make your own purse, at least you have to buy one, so you have exactly, the template. And then you make a, all over with any kind of different material or fox leather that you can buy to John fabric. And then I make this one because I like to create, and sometimes I don't buy a bottom, I just made it by myself. This is from Michael's. I found this piece of leather, it's a real leather at Michael's, so I cut it. I make a small because I don't want it big like this one. And then I follow the hole, and then I crochet around. And then, believe it or not, this is a belt already made with the holes that I find it, and then I cut it, and then I put the closure, and then I make a bag. So if you have a lot of you mind is a lot of creative, you have a lot of creativity, you can do anything. So I'm here to help you out to create it. Okay, so the next step is gonna be I'm gonna show you how to start and learn how to start your bag with the macrame cord, when you have to increase and then everything. So stay tuned, I'm right back. We're gonna start with this bottom with big holes. It's a two-way to start a bottom. So first thing, you're gonna make a slip knot, and then you're gonna go like that, pull it, and then usually I start in the middle to the short part. In the middle I'm gonna do it like that. You insert your hook in the hole, take your yarn, a single crochet in the same stitch you have to do another single crochet. Now the trick is between one hole and another hole, the stitch do not, I mean, you have to work very very comfortable. This, they don't have to be like when you pull something, and then I'll show you how. When you put the crochet hook in the next hole and you do a single crochet, see here is a space, and we don't want to do that. So doesn't mean that in the same hole you have to put another single crochet. So you do this, and that's what we want. If I put just one single crochet, you're gonna have a hole, and we don't want this. So I don't know if you're gonna find the same bottom that I have, but this is the trick. When you put single crochet around inside the hole, you have to make sure that you have a perfect closure. There don't have to be any space between one hole and another one. Otherwise, when we crochet around, it's gonna be like the stitch is gonna pull, and the bag doesn't gonna look like good. So I'm gonna go 2 in each hole. In the description box, by the way, I'm gonna put the link to where you can find, but you can find everywhere: Amazon, Etsy, internet, of course. And 2. Now we are at the corner here, and here always you need to pour more stitches. So doesn't mean that at each corner, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and so on, you have to put 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3, for the same reason, because it's too much distance between one hole and another one, because we are at the corner. So we're gonna put another 3 single crochet here. 1, 2. See, if I just leave a 2, see how much space I have? It doesn't gonna look good. So we're gonna put 3. And then you continue it. 2 single crochet in each hole until you reach again here, the angle, and then you put 3 single crochet here, 3 in the next corner, and then you continue it until you're gonna close here. And then I'll show you how you have to close. So I finish all around, and then I'm here. Okay, so we're gonna do the invisible closure. So pull the yarn, then this is the last this is the first single crochet from the previous row. You just go inside in both loop, just like that, in both loop. You take it, okay, right here. This is the first single crochet in both loop. Pull the yarn through. Okay, so now you go here in the last single crochet, you take the yarn, you pull through, and we recreate the chain. Then you make a knot over here, and then we're gonna make we're gonna wave the hand inside this part. And then this is the perfect starting for a bag. And then like you see you don't see any hole. It's a good tension. See, they don't have to be too tight, they don't have to be too loose. they have to be perfect, so when we're working on the bag is gonna come straight and nice. And now if you have this kind of button, like this is a square, rectangle, is another way that we can start the basic too. So slip knot,